Babam! Good morning, Navid. Ah. How you doing, buddy? Good morning. Hold on. Gotta check here. Is everything fine? Sound, music. Should be all fine, right? Okay. I'm still checking. Check out the melody. Good morning, Balte. How you doing? I've just seen your setup, man. Nice one. I have the same thing in mind. I also looked at AltUSD. I've seen immediately. You can see this shoulder had a shoulder inverse pattern, and I'm also waiting for the market to first of all, it's very nice because first of all you see, you can clearly see this trend line here, this one. Seen that, and then this SHS inverse pattern, man. That's a huge or nice trend continuation sign. Well, let's see. Hold on. Let's see. SHS here, yeah. Good morning. Too much coffee, man. Michael, chill, man. Calm down. It's all good. We got you. So today official GBP recovery day. GBP recovery day. Oh, you think GBP is gonna go up? Gonna move up? You think so? Possible. Es posible. We have to wait a bit. DXY is still at this strong support area here. So what we've seen yesterday. Good morning, Gibson. By the way, Gibson was one of my best friends back in the days when I was a child. He was a bit older than me, but was a very good friend. More happy trees today, please. All right. What's the cabin? What's the cabin chance? The chance for a cabin? How much percent? You also got bounced back after testing trendline. Did you see it? Yes, I've seen it. But what we also see is we see yesterday this DXY breakout in the retest of the trendline here. You see? Now it's important to see what happens. If DXY breaks below this support, then I'm overall bullish for all the major pairs, as I expect the stock market to recover now a bit as we head into the weekend. And when you look at the VIX, and you see it's slowly going down here again. Now it even opens with a gap to the downside. Means less volatility, means more certainty, and more potential for a bullish market, or at least a bullish stock market. So a dropping DXY and climbing majors. That's what I see, or that's at least how it looks like. Means important for me, or interesting for me, is USD/CHF today. Obviously Euro USD, because if it goes back into this trend line here, hold on, trend channel here. Here, open the daily chart here, then all this has been a fake out, and we can go long this trend. We can follow that one. Overall, I'm looking for DXY. Yeah, it's breaking through, so I'm considering to go long, also to go long Euro JPY, and to short USD/CHF. I don't know whether I want to trade AltUSD today, because yeah, it's Friday and the Australian market will close earlier today, and gold is getting interesting very soon. Look, it has completed this contraction here, A, B, C, D, E, and this should actually be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could see a breakout very soon if DXY continues to drop. And we could finally see a breakout and a big rally for gold. Means we can hold some nice swing, or a nice swing trade for gold if gold breaks out here. This is what I'm currently looking at here, this area, and then we could see a nice pump to the upside. That's also what I'm looking at. But it's Friday, so we gotta be, gotta chill, You're long EU, but managing very aggressively. I'm still waiting for this breakout here. When you look at EU, I want to see that the market breaks above this area, and then I would consider to go long, or I would consider to call a long, because yeah, first of all, I want to see the break of this resistance here, of this zone. When it breaks through, then I will go long. Then I would go long. What about my hair, man? But let's see. We have to wait a bit. Also, keep in mind that we're gonna see. Oh, that's in German. I'm sorry. I'm gonna switch to English. UK economy extends recovery from COVID crash. Growth seen fading. Not good for GBP. Man, have you seen yesterday? Have you seen this Euro GBP climb, man? Due to the fact that Euro went up while GBP went down. Wow, man. Best correlation for Euro GBP. I was considering to go long, man. I was like, nah. Too much risk already involved here. Man, this pump was crazy. But it was great. So, after the short of GBP used yesterday here, too bad that we took profit already here, but it was a risk reward of 2.5, so it was pretty worth. It was pretty good. We could see a retest and another continuation to the downside, and yeah, look, DXY is dropping, so we're gonna go long Euro USD. I think that's a good one. We also see how, look here, how we were breaking out of this. Oh, let me delete this again. Wow, too much opacity. Yeah, like I would like to go long here. Target is here at the top. Stop loss should be below this range. It's a day trade. What is the ATR saying? 14 pips. This will be a 23. Hold on. Trend line here, trend line there, trend line everywhere. So where do we got the high volume notes? Wait, high volume note. We're running away from the high volume note, low volume note. Where's the next stop for DXY? DXY could drop down until here, until the zone again. Yep, okay. Yeah, we can consider to do this. Hold on. We get the breakout that I want to see. If we get the breakout, then we can do it. There's a resistance. There is a strong resistance. Yeah. Okay. Last target would be here. Last target would be here. This one, this is Z, so this could be 1, 2. Actually, this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 3, 4, 5 pattern. Still okay. DXY breaking here. Yeah, but I'm carefully. I want to see still. You got to keep in mind we're still in the opening, so it's just a preparation for now. We're still in the opening, and if this turns out to be a fake out, man, then nope. Took good profits on GBP, JPY, and so any other GBP pair. Yeah, it was pretty bearish yesterday as well. It was great, but I didn't want to increase the risk ahead the negotiations for the Brexit. First European Central Lagarde, and afterwards the bad job numbers from the US and the upcoming break of international treaty laws for the UK and the Brexit. Yeah. I hope everything calms down again and we can put our focus on good TAs. Yeah, if it calms down, man, then it's gonna be easy. But also keep in mind, volatile markets are more risky, but the more risk, the more a profit is possible. I like volatile markets. I just don't like to call them when yeah, beginners or too many beginners are following my posts, you know. Let's say that way. I like to trade it myself, but it's obviously I'm way more carefully when I post the signals, you know, because I personally know how to handle the volatility. But it's, you know, can be very profitable, but it's obviously harder to manage the trades, right? When it's so shaky and goes up and down, up and down, up and down. Market buy order. So let's check momentum going to the upside. We see a turn off volatility here. That's good. There's definitely potential to the upside. Breakout here, trend line. Back in the trend channel. Gonna give it some more space. Below this area, there's a high volume, not a lot of buys. Okay, I'm gonna write it down now. 18,460. Oh, I don't want to be too late. 1.521 should be here. This area. 730. Target to at this top. 1 point. Remember, guys, those who only want to trade with one target can actually use the target 2 with a risk reward of pips. This is 28 pips. 8. Okay. Pretty likely that this is going to happen. Euro USD. Guys, on the Telegram channel, because I posted it there. Oh shit, I did not even log in now. This is 20 pips. I'm in. Okay. Yeah, continues to drop. Pretty good. I can write it down in the chat as well, but I hope you guys are in the Telegram channel. For Euro USD, and we see significant. That's what I like to wait. Where is it? Where is it? I'm chasing here. Utility increasing momentum. Okay. So. See if this continues. Do we got some news? So could now retest here, go down then. Let's see. Euro JPY. It's the first attempt for the day. Now, if you want to troll me now, man, then I'm gonna close it. All looks like it continues bearish trend, you say? A strong support area here. Not sure about that, but yeah, possible. This has been a fake. I'm gonna early exit immediately. It's getting interesting because DXY is retesting this resistance right now. And if it just, if all this has been a fake out, then Euro USD will probably go down. Then we need to be carefully. Okay, CHF seems to be pretty weak. Yeah, look. Let's see. There's the retest. But overall, we can see we are at the trend line again. We're just about this trend line. That's what I also like to see, this bearish volume but no impact to the downside. That's pretty good. DXY retesting this area now, important. Let's see. Let's see. JPY has been pretty weak tonight. Odd has been the strongest pair tonight. NZD and Odd showing some risk off in the market, risk on in the market. Cat JPY doesn't have potential to go down. Cat JPY has a positive correlation with Euro USD, so I would rather take the profits. We see there's the breakout here. It could go up actually. I see now. Yesterday I almost hit the second target here. Almost hit the second target, man. Like 2 pips we're missing. And if we see a risk on in the market today, then I see more potential to the upside actually. But it also depends on oil, but oil usually follows the stock market. And oil could actually, when I 1 2 3 4 5 ABC, could move up. But let's see. I'm gonna put DXY here. I wanna watch it all the time. And if GBP USD struggles here and goes down against the falling DXY, then Euro GBP will go up. But yeah, let's see. I wanted to have a look at USD CAD. After the long trade yesterday here, we could see another move down now. I want to switch to my green chart. UC cattle will looks like a huge double top pattern here, right, in the monthly chart. So now I want to check the key levels. There's definitely the strong support area here. DXY tends to move up again. Doesn't break through, then I'm gonna early exit. Now look, I see this breakout. Look how many weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. A dropping price. 8 weeks in a row. There's the range. DXY moves up again, not good for euro. This has been the 305. X 3-wave X. Just want to see whether it is more likely that it's gonna go up or not. 1, 2, 3. It could actually move up again. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I look at this. moving up pretty well. Look at Euro GBP, should go up then. Come on, Euro, do it. DXY kind of struggling, but this could be an interesting zone to sell here, because right now we see A, B, C. Now we could see at least, we don't know whether this has been a fake out or not. This could be the next scenario. We could either see like this, an ABC, and another ABC, and so a WXY pattern, kind of a flat move, possible scenario. Now DXY tends to move up again, carefully, or I should actually we see how it has created a lower high right at this resistance. Let's have a look at the volume. DXY tends to move up again. I'm waiting. I'm looking at this resistance. Now when I see Euro USD, oh, there's sales coming in. Oh, let's wait a minute. Let's wait one more minute. Gibson, looks like we have inverted head and shoulder pattern. Yes, true. We do have that. This hour candle closes of DXY above the resistance. I'm gonna close EU early. Gonna early exit it then. So USD CAD is currently not at a really interesting zone for me right now, because I want to see what the market does here. It's kind of between the strong or this trend line here and the strong resistance area, so we're gonna skip that one. Oh no, DXY tends to move up. Any news? Oil moves down here, USD CAD will probably go up. Anyways, yeah, you were looking at alt USD, right? As always, I'm not the biggest fan of alt USD on Friday. But yeah, we have this inverted potential SHS here in the 4-hour chart. SHS. That's just giving us a tendency. Hold on. Gotta check the levels. Strong support area. Market is holding that area so far. Euro USD shaky. Yeah, but there's also very strong resistance. Look. Yeah. Strong resistance. Like I said, there's the trend line of this entire move. Trend channel. Support area. This has been the correction here. We see DE 3, 4, 5 ABC. Yep. Okay, so this has been another impulse. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC. 1, 2, 3. Oh, DXY, what are you doing to me? Don't be hating. Now you stay in the 1-hour chart. This has been the impulse here. See, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm carefully right now. Trend line fake out, retest, key support or strong support level. Support level. Oh, it looks like DXY continues to move here, but it's creating, maybe creating a lower high. This would be good for Euro USD. Yeah, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. See, so this is wait, gotta check if this is correct. Okay, DXY created a, or is about to create a lower high. That's good for EU. EU. Want to see more accumulation here? Come on. Wait. What I don't like on SHS patterns, again, generally these patterns, they are so obvious. When they are so obvious, then we know the mainstream, or most of the traders, are trading them. And that means that the big players are probably not trading them unless they already have enough, or they already got enough liquidity with the previous fake out to the downside. But I don't like to trade setups which are setups that are too obvious. This is what the big players don't like. So this is 1, 2. Oh, DXY continues to go up. Wait, what is gold doing? Nothing at all. Okay. So this has been a fake. It's already retested the 61.8% retracement level here. Neck area. Neck zone. Stock market doing? The stock market is kind of uncertain here. SPX is uncertain. What is DAX doing? DAX, CFD. They are also uncertain. This is why the forex market is so uncertain. Let's see. Yeah, so we have a tendency here. This could be the number one, wave number one. Oh wait, I made a mistake here. 2, 3, A, B, C, A, B, C. So this entire move is I really gotta get rid of this flu very soon, man. My performance suffers. This could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, DXY continues to go up, but Euro isn't moving really. Not really moving. Not really reacting to the weakness. Let's see. Nothing is really moving. Now look. As long as RUSD is not above this neck area, I would not consider it go long. This is a possible scenario. This is... all these fake outs make it really hard. 95 pips trade or potential. DXY goes up, guys. Now retest of the trend line here. Then all this has been a fake out probably. And then we're gonna close EU. Early exit. Shit, man. Should have waited, man. But the momentum looked so good. That's why I decided to go in. Let's see. Here's the support area. Support area. And trend line, let's see. We also got to give the market some more time, because the market previously opened. So yeah, but this could be an interesting setup here. This could be interesting if shoulder gets triggered. I'm gonna check the volume. Lot of accumulation here. Accumulation. High volume, no, definitely in this zone. So look, now the market is retesting this area. Could be interesting, but I want to see how the 1 hour candle closes. Oh, you use the hold the line, hold it, hold the line. What am I talking about? One hour candle with a nice close. DXY instantly dropping. Could consider to go long. What's the retracement say here? Target 1 should be here at this top. Target 2 here at this resistance area. and target 3 here. The question is whether the market would really move that much today or not. So this is below the trend line, below the support, giving us 11 pips ATR. 11, yeah, that's okay. $41 pips. 41.5 pips. What I'm a bit concerned of is still this DXY move right now. I don't want this to be a fake out. If this is a fake out here, this 1 hour candle, and there is potential to go to the top side for DXY, and this is not good for all the major pair long trades. Well, let's see. When making entries on such pattern, do you wait for retest on the neckline? No, it depends on volatility and volume. Sometimes you can clearly see when you look at it. Sometimes you can clearly see whether the market is about to, to break it or not. I mean, a retracement is always likely since we have different traders in the market, like scalp traders, day traders, swing traders, those who just stack positions and stuff. So scalp traders, yeah, those who trade this breakout, they will always save their profit then here, and then it moves down again. This is why the market actually retraces, or we got this impulse and correction, right? And those who fail to buy, they will take the chance, and those who are already in, they will probably, the day traders or swing traders, they will probably stack positions when they get this confirmation. So you can either wait, or when you see something like this, there's already breakout and retest in the smaller time frame, and I see, hey, the bullish momentum, the bullish volume is pushing the price up, and high bearish volume is not doing anything. I see there's momentum to the top side. I see there is a low liquidity, low volatility at the resistance, and then it looks pretty bullish. High volatility is always a sign of uncertainty. And if you have uncertainty at a resistance, then you can, and you combine this with other facts like momentum and volume and maybe fundamentals, then you can see whether the price will break through or not, or see what is more likely, But as always, this is always, or as I always mention, this is way harder when you trade a low liquid market, because when you have a market with low liquidity, because all the moves are way less reliable. Just one big order is enough to push the price into a certain direction, or to cause huge dips and spikes. That's the point. Wait, USD. So gonna wait a bit. I want to see another test to the downside and look at DXY, but I got the setup prepared so far. What's your view on Euro entity? I'm not gonna trade Euro entity today, bro. I still got this setup here, or had this setup still. That one, and yes, it could be short. As you can see, there's a break out of this trend line here right now. There's been the neck zone of this SHS inverse pattern, and the market is about to create this double top and break through. I mean, this would be an awesome sell area here, at 1.765. This will be a good one. For now, I'm not really like interested in Euro entity. And I'm not going to trade too much today because we're gonna see, and this is what the market will probably wait for, ECB's Lane speaks. And yeah, there are a lot of speeches. I hate it when there are so many speeches. All these speeches, the market will always wait for it, and they can change so much. And we get the core CPI from the USA. So basically a lot of speeches and then important data, and that's it for the day. But there's still lots of events coming up, you know. I think we can execute that one. When I look at the volume, I just don't, like I said, I don't really prefer to trade odd USD on Fridays. Yeah, there's a lot of bullish volume. So also looks like it's gonna drop again. Oops. So yeah, we can actually give it a try. So let's go, guys. Odd USD, where you at? I want to trade you, buddy. Okay. Let's go. I'm gonna publish that one. Yeah, DXY now sharply dropping. Usually Friday is usually a pretty bullish day for the stock market. And what I've seen is, and that's also something I'm a bit concerned about, but what I've seen is another increase of a lot of options in the stock market, in the option market. A lot of new Robinhood traders pushing the market up with option calls. Oh gosh, guys, it's Friday. Guess what? My girlfriend is calling me right now, telling me that she's in the supermarket and asked me to come down to be right back.
YouTube Music.
All right, so yeah, and I've got to go and like you will notice that as soon as the door opens and my girlfriend comes in, the dogs will bark, and then you know it's time for me to stand up and get all the stuff out of the car into our apartment. Always. RJPY and RUSD have the same inverse SHS setup. Yes, and when you look at it, you see the JPY and RUSD were the weakest currencies today, and AUD the strongest. So there might be potential for RJPY to go up as well. Come on, don't be like that. Come on, go up, dude. We want to see you moving up. Oh, by the way, if DXY drops, then we might get very soon. We might get the gold breakout. Oh, this could be a very huge trade here with gold, because when we see the breakout here about this resistance and this contraction or the triangle, then we have huge potential. I mean, look at the pole of it, man. The pole is, what is the pole? 15%. And if we get the breakout here, oh, this is 2,700 and 75 pips around. Then we could see a 2,000. Like I expected gold to be at 2,500 in December. Then we could see 2,200. Could. Now you wanna struggle again? I don't like that. I don't like that. Come on, go up. You want it. All the shakiness can be caused by the market, which is waiting for the speech, actually. Hi. Hello, sir. Oh, please. Don't call me sir, man. You JP buy about anything about it? Not yet. Well, it's kind of the structure is, or we currently see it's just, you know, ranging here. This is Euro JPY currently in this range, and for now it's in the middle of the nowhere, so it's not really interesting for me. Also, I'm carefully with JPY trades for now because the situation in Japan is a bit or not clear. So if they get a new election, and so with it more hawkish monetary policy, then we might see a strong JPY, but we have to wait for that event. So I'm generally carefully with JPY trades. Very carefully. Come on out, used to. You want it. You want it. You want it. Yeah, I like the volume. The volume looks pretty good. So the volatility decreasing. Now it should go up again. I hope it's gonna go up. The XY is a bit uncertain. This turns out to be a double bottom, then I'm gonna think about it. UK, Japan agree on trade deal. Yeah, that's what I've read too, but that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the upcoming monetary policy. I'm not talking about any agreements. Entity USD could, or did break out already. Let's see. Yeah, but like I said, I won't trade too much today because we had a good week. I'm well in profit for this week, and yeah, I don't want to mess this up just because of all these data today, or the risk. There's a lot more risk involved, right? More risk involved because of the speeches and the upcoming data. But overall, we are following the primary trends. It's okay. We've seen the fake outs. All we need to see for Euro USD is now finally the pump up, and then it should continue to move up. But it looks good so far. Let's see. DXY also tends to break below the support area now, and now it should show us a bigger move to the downside very soon. Seems like it's getting ready. Also, the volume looks pretty bullish to me here. Very nice. Higher open interest here at the top. Higher prices accepted by the market. There was one shakeout here, probably. We are still, when you look at the smaller time frame, the opening range is here. This is the opening range. This one, no, wait. This one. And you can clearly see, and that's what I like, is the retest, or the previous retest of this opening range, which is a pretty usual move. Another down, like a lot of day traders trade this breakout. Like when it moves up, they go in, and usually have the stop loss here in this area. And when the market breaks up and all the liquidity is already gone in the low liquid market, you often see how the market goes down again to trigger these stop loss levels, and then it moves up again. Now we've seen another retest of this opening range right there, right at the point of control. The volume is chasing to the upside. That's pretty good. And we've just seen another retest here, but immediately a move upwards. So that's a pretty good sign. I used that strategy for scalping back in the days, and it was pretty good. The only thing I'm concerned about now in terms of fundamentals is that the European Central Bank does not really look at the exchange rate. But when we look at the Fed, it is interesting that they say they don't care about a high inflation of than 2% as long as it boosts the, yeah, there it is, as long as it boosts the economy. So they don't stick to this 2% inflation target anymore. Means more inflation possible. Okay, you heard it, guys. You heard it. Griffith just came home. And I'll be right back. I'm gonna carry all the stuff to the car, out of the car into our apartment. So be right back. I'm going to the gym at the moment. Are we still in USD? Because I won't be able to regularly check my phone for the next 2 hours. Yes, we're still in. It looks good to me. I update you on Telegram if not. So I'll be right back, guys. Just keep it open. I'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, I'm back. What's happening here? So you, oh, I didn't have the music is off. Oh, I went AFK and it says, do you want to continue with the music? What the hell? Because I was AFK. Sorry. Here's the music. My friends. My friends. Okay, Chinese new loans. Better than expected. Loan growth. Stable. Supply. Money supply. Bit worse, but better. Worse, but better. Oh, inflation. New credits, more liquidity in the market. Okay. Oh, that's decent for the stock market, I guess. That's 100. Nasdaq climbing up a little. Oh, look, man, so uncertain. Wow, more uncertainty, please. STK jumping up, but USD going down. CHF, yeah, this has been an interesting setup that I actually wanted to trade here. As soon as the market breaks below this support, I think that we can get a nice chance to short it actually. Come on, AUD USD, you want to go up. Euro USD wants to pump. Now you want to. The volume looks still very, very good to me. Whenever we get closer to the point of control, we see more accumulation, and the momentum is moving to the top side, and volatility should increase soon. Looks good to me. And CHF is strong, means if USD drops right now and CHF is strong, then we might see a huge move in USD CHF, and that's what I want to trade. That's what I want to trade. Seeing the nice rejection here at this resistance area here. You see very, very clean resistance in the weekly chart. So this is the key resistance and the previous retest here. This one. Yeah, pump up, pump it up. That's what I want to see. So USD-CHF. So overall we see this is here's where the impulse started, a flat type of correction. 1, 2, 3. This is flat type 4, 5. At least this is the scenario I had in mind. So we have the flat type of correction here and a sharper type of correction. That's perfect. Perfect scenario. Ja. Ja, ich muss mich jetzt mal konzentrieren, warte mal. So this has been the last wave here. This has been 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, yeah. 3, 4. Three, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to focus on this. Yeah. Wait. 3, 4, 5. Gotta hurry up a bit. How do we do it? Yes. So this is A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. Oops, what am I doing? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C, A, B, C, A, B, C. Ah, okay. 3, 4. This is actually a flat one. This is A, B, C with an A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Schedule X ABC, just ABC, yeah. ABC and an ABC, which is a BC4. This is the flat type correction there. So I only use Elliott waves to see whether the tendency, or whether the tendency, or the waves to confirm my tendency or not. So 1, 2, 3, and pause. Oh, look at that Euro USD pump. Nice. Good, 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 good. CHF still moving up. Very nice. Good one. Okay. Use the CHF. Where is it? Where you at, my friend? Right there. Okay. So this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we got the resistance right there. All this could be a bam, bam, bam. Right shoulder. Yes. Okay. Nee, warte mal, jetzt nicht. Alright, this is stop loss, target 1, stop loss here, ATR, momentum divergence here, yep, ATR at 23 pips, this is a 50 pips, yeah, okay, I'm gonna write that one down real quick, use the CHF, market, sell, order, volume looks, EMA here, volume looks, yeah, like that, this absorption, very nice. Yeah, lots of sellers here, buyers taking, getting absorbed. So, market sell order, right there, right now. Shit, I'm too late, I guess. Not, I always when I when I write down USD-CHF trades, I'm always late. Now I gotta be quick. Excuse me when I make some tippies, please let me know because I gotta be quick right now. 90370, 90370, target 2, 90300, and target 3 is here at this 161. 89500. This is real quick. 53 pips. USD moving up. Very nice, very nice, very nice. USD-CHF, where you at, buddy? Okay. $161 is right there. Yeah, great target. Very great target. Okay. Okay. Looks pretty likely to me. Swing trade execution. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna write this in here. USD-CHF, guys. So USD-CHF, quickly. 150. This is 50. 4. And sell. I'm in. Okay. Going to publish that one as well. Okay, so okay, sorry, I was really focused right now. I was like completely inside the charts. Inside of the charts. EUR/GBP is moving up. GBP. Now look how GU just dropped down while EUR/USD goes up and EUR/GBP gets pumped. GBP odd dropping as well. Of course it's dropping. All GBP cross pairs will probably drop because GBP seems to be the only major pair which is dropping against USD. So all the GBP pairs are currently very attractive to short. I mean, look at the GBP NZD trade we've made. It should be at, I don't know, at target 3 already, I guess. GBP NZD. Yeah, look, it just hit the third target. If you guys were in, man, that was a risk reward of 2.7. Get the groceries. I already got them, dude. I already got them. Yeah, lots of cell clusters here. Very nice. CHF kind of strong. USD weak. Pretty good. Pretty good. Where do you guys can help me to find sources for the upcoming speeches? Only source I got is the European Central Bank website right now. I don't know whether we can watch it live or not. Is there any way to watch it live? European Commission is to propose EU 2030 target to cut greenhouse gas emissions by at least 55%. Nice target, but you won't make it. As always. As always, you won't make it. Oh man, what a name, dude. His girl left him. He didn't take the groceries. Yes. That's exactly what happened, dude. Exactly. Man, Alassani Abdul Saib got... Man, I want to pronounce that name correctly. Alassani Abdul Zaib Gaston Francois Gaston. Man, I really want to know how to pronounce that name, dude. Hey man, what's your view on USD-CAD? I've been analyzing USD-CAD. USD-CAD is... Where do I got it? Did I close the chart? No, I gotta look for it again. USD-CAD right there. It depends on oil, but yesterday we were long here for a day trade. Now it's in a kind of crucial situation because we've bounced off this. I mean, that's what I don't like currently. What I currently don't like, maybe it's in a waiting mode and nothing is going to happen. We see the breakout here. There's a key support level here, this down here in the weekly chart. Yeah, when you look at the bigger time frame, you can clearly see, look, this is a high demand zone here, or it used to be a high demand zone. Now we have a kind of we don't have a confluence here, because what I see is there's, first of all, in the weekly chart, there's a potential double top pattern, right? So it could continue to the downside here. Bam, bam. In the 4-hour chart, we see, or even in the daily chart, when you look at it, I got the wave count here. In the daily chart, you see there's this breakout. This all could turn out to be a fake out here. This trend line to the downside, the breakout, the retest, it goes up. That was the first intention yesterday to buy, and when I've seen the news and the volume, it was pretty likely that this is gonna happen. Now, the tricky situation is, to me personally, currently, that the news, you know, first of all, the cut of the oil price, and the news are always changing. Like, there's more supply, there's less supply for oil, blah blah blah, and so on. So I think it's a matter of what will oil do, regardless what USD does, you know. And what I see coming out is another wave to the downside. I think that we're probably gonna retest this area here again, and then the market will decide what to do. This could take a while. Sometimes USD-CAD is not really moving. This could take a while, so it can move down here. Wave creates a wave C, and so the correction here, and with another correction to the upside we'll get a WXY pattern, and so an entire correction before the market moves down here again. But for now I'm not interested in it because we don't have any confluence. Like DXY is really choppy, really shaky, and oil as well. And when I look at hold on, what are these guys doing? When I look at oil, which tends to go up, which is good for the Canadian dollar, and DXY goes down, if that really happens, then USDK should go up for now, for you know, for the next days maybe. But no, sorry, it should go down. I'm sorry, it should go down in the next few days. And now we see this double top pattern, we see the breakout, which is saying long, we see the double top pattern, which is saying short, and currently we are still above this trend line, which is saying long, but we've created this lower high which is saying short, you know. So there's no confluence. I don't really like situations like that, so I'd rather stay out and don't trade it at all, you know. That's what I really don't like. So USDCHF, show us what we want to see. Lots of sellers here. ECB's got his YouTube channel, right? That's correct. I forgot about that. Now I enter ECB and what I get is England Wales cricket board. Here's a ECB England Wales cricket board. Broadcast supervising banks profits transparency, but there's no live stream right now. ECB and the Euro system explained in 3 minutes. Oh, holy moly, Euro GBP, right? But I think it's too risky to get in there. I think it's too risky. Bloomberg Global Financial News. That's what we can check actually. Maybe we get something there. Is there something interesting?
Now, this reaction to this was really mixed in Hollywood. Some people said it's progress, we're moving in the right direction. Other people were pretty critical and said that this is going to stifle artist creativity. Others said that this doesn't go...
Nothing about the ECB.
I wanted to mention Dr. Stacy Smith of USC, who did commend the academy, but said we're still not seeing anything that's going to push the conversation forward. And I mentioned Dr. Smith because she has an annual report on diversity. And
I'm going to mute this. Maybe I'm going to see news about the ECB, then we can turn it on, but I'm gonna keep that one open. Just mute it and then we see. ECB Schnabel says COVID-19 has not undermined monetary dominance in the EU. Wow, that was his statement. Did he step in front of the mic and said, "Oh guys, I'm gonna dirt off my shoulder"? This is the speech you were waiting for all the time, all day. So good morning everyone. COVID-19 has not undermined monetary dominance in the EU. That's it. And drops the mic and goes away. That's it. That was the statement. Thank you. Good job, buddy. I wish I had your job because then I might make a lot of money and don't work at all. I just step in front of the mic, say one sentence, and then I leave and call it a day. and get my get my salary. That's what we want to see, right? That's what we like. GBP getting weaker and Real stay out, man. We don't need to trade GBP. We had a great GBP trade. Schnabel for president. Okay, Schnabel, what are your plans for Germany? And he will just say, I will make Germany great again. That's it. So you should elect me. You should do that. See nothing on the news so far except pre-market from the US just because of blah 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 blah. Yeah, I'm gonna buy and it will manage it aggressively. Alassane Abdul, I like to pronounce that. I like to say that name. Alassane Abdul Zaid Caston. I like to say that, man. That's good. You should definitely manage all positions aggressively. That's what I can recommend to do. US pre-market themes, 11th of September, stock set to close red for a second straight week. Wow. The world's going down, right? Because of Tesla. Man, Tesla was crazy. Tesla was really crazy. Come on, gold. Is it time to buy Tesla? Nah, man, my Tesla buy would be here. This is where I buy Tesla. Buy zone, right there. With a leverage of 1 to 50,000 all in. With no stop loss level. Then we wait for the news, look at the balance sheet. This is where I buy. Morningstar.com, let's check it. Tesla income. You dismissed. Financials. What do we got here? Positive development. Balance sheet. Man, it looks pretty decent. They have a revenue of almost 52%. Margin preparation. They got dividends? Gotta check this. And look, okay. Look at the return on assets and percentage, man. I love Elon Musk, man. He's not giving a shit about what you guys think, man. He's just doing it, doing his thing. He's like, fuck the figures. Sorry for cussing. But he's like that. I just do my thing. I have a vision. Don't care about you guys. Gross margin. Overall an uptrend. Net margin. Okay. Net margin also going up. They have dividends? No, okay. And would you say that it is fair? Man, it looks pretty decent, man. Why is it dropping so hard? I don't see a reason for that drop. Come on, USD-CHF. You know you want it. Euro USD, you want to hit the first target. I know that you want that right there. And audience, do you want to continue upwards? The way you pronounce it, it's great. I'm giving my best, buddy. But you know, the point is, I have friends from Iran, from Iraq, and they taught me how to pronounce it. Come on, EURUSD, push higher. I want you to hit the first target ASAP. But I will not execute more positions right now. Next important event will appear or will happen in 26 minutes. ECB President Lagarde will speak. This is gonna be important as well. Yesterday's statement was a joke, man. Almost nothing happened with her speech. Come on, push it. The entity wants to go up. Look at this. Entity wants to go up. I see this, but I will not increase my risk now. Even though there's sell pressure, man, it's not willing to go down. This is indicating absorption. And there's this high volume note. The volume is definitely chasing to the top side. That's a pretty good one. Pretty good sign. Showing more risk on, but AUD USD is a bit hesitative. I don't like that. And I bet Euro AUD is moving up. Is Euro AUD moving up? I think so. Euro AUD is moving up. Yep, we see that Euro is definitely stronger than but I don't like this, man. It's so choppy. Remember the setups we were trading? Long here twice this week, long here, no, once long here and long here. Yeah. Target to reach. Now it's back again there, now back here. Man, this is so choppy. This is ridiculous. Look at the breakout here at ABC. This is 1 2 3. This is setting up a third wave, I guess. Look, when you see ABC, it is probably now setting up the third wave. 1 2 3 4 5 probably goes up, very likely. If it breaks above this resistance, then I'm telling you, entity will probably freak out unless there are news changing something. But you can clearly see how it wants to break through. And all this will be the second wave of this breakout. Yeah, look, pretty clean picture to me. Looks 1 2 3 4 5. This is A B C D E. You see the contraction here, or the triangle, whatever that is, with a fake out here. See this? Okay, keep this one. Looks better. Like this. And we got another breakout. 1 2 3 4 5. This is A, or 1 2 3 4 5. A B C D E, and it should continue to the upside. What I don't like on this is that the third wave is so short. That's what I 1 2 3 4 5. Wait, this 1 2 3 4. No, 5. Yeah. A B C D E, and another. A B C D E, another one, another contraction here. or flag pattern. Looks like a flag to me. This, and then we had this 1 2 3 4 5. Now this ABC, another 1 2 3 4 5. So a 1 1 2 and a potential 3 somewhere here. Also, should not be too greedy. That's how it looks like. Now you have this 1 2 3 4 5 wave pattern. Yeah, looks like a long to me, but obviously we have to wait. We have to wait to beat the GBP entity. We should have stayed in. Damn it, we should have stayed in. I guess it sounds French. Garçon. Yeah. Lagarde will make Euro more great again. You think so? It already was fun yesterday. She was trying not to push the Euro too much, and the opposite happened. Right, by the way, I'm from Togo, West Africa. Nice, man. That's why the Gaston, right? Because in West Africa, you also speak French, right? English and French. Isn't that correct? I don't know where in West Africa. Oh, they're really close together. Am I dumb? Sorry guys, man. This week I'm really like doing a lot of tippies because of this freaking flu and fever. I really tried to perform well this week. 300. I'm so dumb, dude. I really try to give my best. Wait, target 1 is at 300. Target 2 is at... Wait, what have I done, guys? Like I said, man, I had to hurry up. 900, 500. Yeah, I'm stupid, guys. I'm sorry. I'm really looking forward to the weekend. Target 1 is actually, yeah, target 1 is actually here. So target 1 is correct. Target 2 is here. 900. Oh look, man, I'm so dumb. On the weekend I won't do anything and just recover, man. Just recover, and so that I'm a bit more focused next week. But I'm glad that we had such a good performance. Target 2 for USDC chef. So yes, I just corrected it. Now it should be fine. Like, I'm doing these stupid mistakes because of this flu, man. Like, I'm not, I'm not this type of guy who's crying and look at me, I'm sick, me. I always try to, stay in a positive mood, a positive. Am I online again? I just had a connection loss. I don't know why. No, I just said that I'm not this type of guy who's crying. Hey, look at me, I'm sick. Me. I'm more like trying to keep the vibe positive and do the best I can. And like, even though I was sick, man, I've been working like 16 hours a day, which is not really helpful when you want to recover, when you have a flu, when you're sick. Yeah, but you can't imagine. I'm really looking forward to heading to the weekend to just chill, relax, lean back, and to finally recover. Because obviously, trading is just about performance, and when you're sick, you usually don't perform as well as usual. I mean, normal, right? So I was a little bit concerned about this, but I think this week was pretty good. But I can't wait for no tasks and no responsibility on the weekend. Oh. Bitte? Ich komme mich einfach überhaupt noch nicht erholen irgendwie. Ich sage, ich konnte mich einfach überhaupt nicht erholen irgendwie, ne? Nur am Arbeiten und so. I stepped away. You stepped away for a minute. Where was the update posted? What update you mean, buddy? I just posted. I corrected the target. Okay, Euro, come on, hit the first target, man. Resistance already broke, that's pretty nice. Look here. USD CHF, the second target is at 90. The second target is here 90. Round number. So gonna keep it open like that. Guys, let me take a quick break, man. I'll be right back. We're gonna get the speech of Lagarde in how many minutes? 12 minutes. I will not execute any further trades. I think three more trades are enough. We had a good week so far, so we I want too much. Yeah. And I think that we can call it a week. Yeah, be right back, guys. Let's chill a minute. We invested, we in. And then we're gonna look how the market reacts to the speech. Okay. See if Euro USD can hold it here. Should be another wave up. Let's see. GBP USD. Wow. Okay, the DXY just made a move up. Another one. Another move up. So we're gonna get the news soon in 5 minutes. Oh, hello. Cat saying hello. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting, guys. If you want, you can actually move your stop loss to break even, but as always, it can get volatile if Lagarde, you know, comes up with a speech like yesterday and does not really say what you wants to say. Then you can move your stop loss to break even. For now, we are 15 pips in profit. Let's see. Found a nice support here. But let's see. The speech might be interesting, but I don't understand why we don't get any. Live stream for that. I think that entity USD is gonna break this area and moves up here. Maybe we can, instead of, you know, instead of a day trade, we could just scalp it a bit, maybe. If you guys are willing to take more risk. If you guys are willing to take some more risk, I mean, possible. The strong area was holding here. Strong area. No. Come on, Art UST, don't be like this, man. That's what I hate on Art UST on Fridays, man. Gosh. Where are the good scalp targets and stop losses. Definitely right there. Right there, right there. XY continues to drop, very nice. Yeah, it should move up. Entity is stronger than odd. Now 1 minute, let's stick to euro and see how the market reacts. I'm gonna write this one down. I think it's too risky to scalp it because yeah, the possible volatility. Kind of choppy USDC. Jeff does not really know what to do. Corona. In the significant range should go up. Look, even GU goes up because DXY is dropping so hard, probably because of the euro rise. Yeah, pretty good. Are you guys willing to take some more risk? That's the question. I personally have a higher risk aversion as always. Support zone. So I don't mind, like, I'm the one who doesn't mind losing because I'm willing to take the risk. YOLO. Okay, YOLO. Any news already? No. Yeah, man, it's kind of like a double risk because, yeah, we know that USD and entity have a positive correlation. And let's see. Let's wait for the news first. can write down the setup and then we see. I just write it down and then I want to see the breakout definitely. Volume looks good to me. There's been lots of sellers absorbed, pushed up, more demand coming in. Volatility increasing to the top side. And that's not the best sign. We want to see how the market breaks through. Momentum here. News? Nope. No news. You only live once. It's been here, like this one. ATR saying 12 pips. This is 23 pips. It's pretty good. DXY continues to drop. Man, Euro NZD and Euro are probably going up. Today might be the Euro day. NZD. By the way, what is odd NZD doing? Not really certain. Still looking for a short here. Okay. Come on, Euro USD, push the first target. Let's check it one more time. That's for fun.
YouTube Music. Jetzt die App herunterladen und YouTube Music
What am I
Premium
doing?
kostenlos testen.
Oh
Es gibt
gosh,
Einschränkungen.
you see. So dumb. Flat type, short type, A, B, C. Yeah, I'm still missing a second wave here. I don't like that. This is the only thing I don't really like. Euro should move up. Use the CHF should move down. Entity used is strong right now. You say, yeah. I just wrote down all this. Also, the volume looks pretty promising. As we see here, breakouts. Retest, a la fake out. Liquidating a lot of long positions here, which is 1, 2, 3. DXY continues to drop, pretty good for the euro trade. Yep. CHF still strong, so if USD goes down, USD CHF should drop right now. Yup. But NZD or odd USD is pretty quiet. Not really reacting to the DXY weakness, and that's what I don't like, to be honest. That's what I don't like. Gleich. Ja, weil du mal mit einfach so zwischendurch kommst, wenn ich gerade was mache, ist doch klar, dass ich dann gleich sage, oder? Was war ich eben gerade? That's a preparation. Gosh, man, these titties. No news yet from the ECB so far. So, let's see if USD can finally hit our first target before I have to go. USD CHF is kind of choppy at our entry, but CHF is generally strong, and DXY shows some more weakness very soon. Also, when you look at the volume, we see lots of sellers here in the market. Now this candle should push it down. If not, then I'm getting a bit concerned about it. Odd USD is ready to set up soon, I think. Also here we see a lot of huge buy volume here. A lot of nice buy volume. What I don't like is the missing retracement. But you don't always see a retracement. Sometimes it's just moving up. And the other thing I don't like is the weak reaction to the DXY weakness. But that's probably because, yeah, we had into the weekend, and yeah, Australia and New Zealand, they both had into the weekend way earlier than we do. So that's probably the reason why, just a lack of liquidity. Now look, the higher we get, the more buyers are coming in, and these sellers are getting absorbed here. It's a very, very healthy, very, very nice sign. USD-CHF should drop soon, man. It should be stronger, actually. It should be stronger. All USD should be stronger as well. And if NZD-USD does not really move to our entry this week, then we're gonna do it next week. Let's see. Let's see. We don't have to force it. So what are you guys are in? Any other trades you are in except GBP USD? I mean, it was pretty likely that it drops down, but after the trade from yesterday, I was like done for GBP USD because we had a very, very nice profit. No special news here. Nothing from Lagarde. I don't see any headlines. Is she late today? CHF strong. Yeah, you finally drop. Let's go. Let's go, my friend. XY creating a new low. Now it's in a trendy mode. That's pretty good. You took an USD cat swing trade 8 hours ago, or we took a day trade 24 hours ago. What kind of swing did you take? A short here or a long, or what did you do? Oh. Yes, finally, thanks. Bears will give up, I guess. By the way, I didn't calculate my risk for entity USD. I'm ready to buy into the USD. Oh, okay. Come on, odd USD, break it, break it, break it, break it, and USD CHF, come on, continue, continue. We see you want it. We see there's supply. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. By the way, I missed the trades yesterday. They were posted as preparation, and yeah, because this is something you have to do by your own, buddy. Also have a VIP group, and there when I post, like I try to share as much as I can with you guys. But when I post preparations, then I post setups for you that you can trade or not, you know. Like, I'm giving you a hint. Always try to share as much as I can, guys. And during the live streams, I mean that I post them because we are trading together. Is entity used to execute it? Nah, it's not. It's not even at the price, dude. How can we execute it? The execution price is here. And we need the market to hit the price before we can actually execute it. Oh, there we got some news. ECB Mersch says they are to review bank dividend proposal in December, considers an exceptional and temporary one-size-fits-all approach on banks not paying dividend. Will revert to usual supervisory practices unless we conclude that the bank's capital projection remain clouded by high uncertainty. Blah. Another blah. Even more blah. Correct heat. Correct. Yep, target one reached. I'm gonna update this. 27.5. Roll USD. Target one reached. Plus, is that 27.5 pips? Yeah, come on, breakthrough. We want a lot of buys here. Come on, do it. We know you want it. Come on, boom, 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 boom. Go up, loads. Let's go. Come on, odd USD. We know that you want it. We know that you want it. So let's save some profitos and move stop loss to break even. So I'm gonna write this down. USD. Let me write this down. So what is the result for now? For now we see hit a long stop loss. First close. Let's see how this continues. It was a long, a win, and 25 pips. What else do we got open? Oops. We got USD and USD CHF. Oh, gotta change this. That was actually a win. Open and use DCHF. This is short. Open short. I can add this to 14, 18 trades, and we made always stop loss break even as soon as you have you should always move your stop loss to break even as soon as you have earned your risk, always, unless there are volatile events ahead. And when there are volatile events ahead, then you can consider to give the market more space to, you know, to be volatile. Like yesterday, we might should have increased the stop loss for Euro USD, but what, you know, like I said in the chat also, it was kind of like a little bit of gambling, because you never know how huge the volatility is going to be. That's why I also mentioned that this is going to be very risky. And yesterday I was looking at my phone. I was at the horse farm yesterday, and I looked at my phone. I was like, oh my gosh. And then I seen this peak, and I was at my phone, and I actually wanted to, I've seen this, and I was like, nah, this is gonna go down. And I wanted to short it, but I couldn't because the internet was too bad. Oh man, that was annoying. What it is, what it is. Yeah, look, this is perfect. Look at this. The volume is chasing here, and we see nice sell clusters here. Very, very good. Very good. Okay, so I think I will just watch the positions now and don't do anything anymore. Maybe execute entity USD if entity USD and odd USD finally decide to move, or consider to early exit odd USD if it doesn't continue to move. But so far I won't execute too much today. UCCHF looks pretty good, like a nice continuation of the trend. Let's see how that one continues. But overall I won't do much more, I guess, and then just call it a week, and then we enjoy the profits we've made, and then we see. Then we get into the weekend, enjoy the weekend. I can finally just stay in the bed and chill until Sunday, when I have prepare the next week, and obviously tomorrow I have to go to the horse farm as well. But yeah, that's what it is. Aurelio, hope you're great, yes, buddy. I'm okay actually. I'm like still sick, but I feel great because we had a great week, and a good or decent performance this week. Again, decent. I'm glad to close the week with a nice profit. But it has been a tricky week again, definitely. I had these two type of weeks I really don't like trading forex. Those with a lot of speeches and monetary policy meetings, these constipated week types, and the non-farm payroll week are those 2 weeks I really don't appreciate a trade, because this is when the market is so uncertain and so annoying to trade, because the market does not really move into one direction and it's just volatile and just annoying, man. Just annoying. But yeah, that's what it is. That's why I always say keep your risk low, and we need to manage it aggressively. So if there's any evidence that a trade runs against us and it doesn't look good anymore, then we can close it. But we also have to find a decent mix of give the market enough space to develop something, and give the market enough space for the news, for the volatility, especially in the market which has low liquidity. You need that. And you know, this is hard. This is the tricky part, is actually the management of it. And of course the prediction as well, if you don't know what the market will have to expect from the speeches, from the monetary policy meetings and blah blah blah, you know. And then we got the big players doing their, you know, business. You know, that's it. Alright guys, I'm 12:05, so I've gotta get ready soon, eat, chill a bit, and then head from work to work. Looks good, NZD slowly. Corona, leave me alone. If we get bad news for the Brexit, does the pound drop then? You probably, yeah. Probably it will. Because what happens when the economy suffers from a non-deal? The economy suffers, and what do the central banks do when the economy suffers? We see it right now. They decrease the interest rate, they come up with rate cuts, they come up with quantitative easing, they come up with money, you know, printing machines to flood the market with with money. Means more supply, means a falling pound. You know, less interests. It's basically how it works. Oh my gosh. It doesn't stop now, guys. I've got to go. That's annoying for you and for me. So guys, have a great US session. I will let you know whether I'm gonna open NZD or not. Please make sure that you manage your trades aggressively again, because of the upcoming news, like the CPI in the USA is still coming today and could cause some volatility. But so far we head into the weekend, usually a bullish day for the stock market. Could cause some more, problems for the US dollar. Brexit conversation must be until 14th of October, I think. So then you will sink a bit, if not positive eyes. Yeah, this is definitely a possible scenario. Definitely a possible scenario. Alright guys, have a great weekend, have a great US session. Don't trade too much, we had a good week so far, no need to chase anything. I see you on Telegram and on Livestream on Monday. I'm out. Peace.